Hello, good morning everybody. It's Wendy here from Wendy's Craft Den, and I live in Narbeth, Pembrokeshire. I got these on Friday. Sorry, sorry, my mouth's a bit dry this morning. I got these on Friday from Amazon, and I've had a little play with them, and I think they're wonderful, and I thought I'd like to show you exactly what I've been doing with them. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to pick a very bright colour, pink. Now these are acrylic paint pens, so these can be treated the same as watercolour pencils. So, I'm going to have a go at, I'm only doing this bottom bit because I'm going to let it, but as you can see, it goes on beautifully onto glass. This is the first coat I'm putting on. There's the first coat. I'm going to leave that dry now on the side and put my nib back on. As you can see, the lovely big nibs. Right, the next thing I want to show you. Oh, that was another thing. Where did I put that other thing? Oh, here we go. Lately, I've been trying to make air dry flowers. Now, that's one I did earlier with the green pen. I'm just trying to find a blank one. Oh, there we go, blank one. Blank. Right. Things never work right in the morning, do they? Now then, green, yellow. Right, got them out. Right, so now then this is air dry clay. I think it's called Hearty air dry clay. And as you can see, the coverage is wonderful. Absolutely wonderful coverage. With doing it on here, I don't know whether you would need to give it a second coat. I'm not sure. But to me, it looks like it's going on very nicely. I've been trying to explain what it feels like when you're using them, and it almost feels like you're using chalk. It's that sort of intense chalky feeling. Right. So now then we've done, I won't carry on with that because you don't want to watch me I'm not very good at colouring in. So I don't suppose you want to watch me do that. I should come back, quickly give it a second coat because I think it's drying ever so quick. Yes, it's dry already. Stop it, Wendy. Right, so that's the drying clay, and I've got a green leaf here. With that, I just did it. Now, when you're colouring anything like this in, use the side of the pen more than exactly on the nib, if you know what I mean. And again, it's drying very, very quickly. So move these out of the way. So you've seen me use it on glass, on air drying clay. Oh my word, I got tickly throat. Now I'm going to use Stampin' Up! Jar of Flowers, and I'm going to go for this little image down here. Look, I haven't used these yet. I thought I had that. Right, which was the image I was going to go for again? This one I think it is. Now, because these are because these are acrylics and they're water trigger, you use water to go along with them. I need a permanent black ink or whatever ink you're going to use to stamp your image. The only problem with the archival ink is that it does stain the stamp, but to me, I'm not worried about that. Oh, I wonder if it could do it on there. Be good, wouldn't it? It does. Oh, great. I can show you what it looks like on coloured paper then. Right. Line this up as straight as I can. There we go. Put that to one side and I'll get that cleaned up afterwards. Right, now then, I do advise if you're going to use them to take them out because they can be a little bit, they don't want to come out of the box sort of thing, you know. Get my chair. Now then, what is it like a white? Oh, wow. Oh, they feel so good to use. You really do need to try these because, I mean, they're soft, if you know what I mean. Wonderful, absolutely wonderful pens. I won't colour all of this in, but I wanted to show you something. Now, usually, some pens will leak. Not leak is the wrong word. Bleed through to the side. And if you're using watercolour pens, then you still get a bleed. But look, nothing. You can't even see that you've actually been colouring on that side of the paper. Carry on colouring that later on. Now where was that? Oh, here we are. Now then. Right. Yellow. That's what we want. You are going to have different colour variations because you're using it on a darker card. So what I should do is I should use the red so you can see how the red looks on a on a purple card. As you can see, it just goes on so lovely. These are the sort of pens that you wish you'd had as a child because they just feel so wonderful to use. Right, I'm going to leave it at that, otherwise you won't get any commentary from me. I'll just be sitting here colouring them in. So that's that. Now then, we'll go back now to the glass. With that piece now as dried, so I can just go over that again. Oh, sorry, I keep going in and out, don't I? You can see what I mean. It'll work on glass. It'll work on cards. It'll work on air dry clay. You can use it on stencils. This is a very, very versatile product, which I'm hoping to get more acquainted with. And I got it from Amazon. I shall put the link below. And I hope you feel, after seeing this, I hope you think that they are as wonderful as I say they are. If you know, yeah, you know what I mean. It's Wendy, never mind. All right, thank you very much. And like I said, I'll put the link below, and hopefully you'll buy them for yourself and see how they feel. Bye.